So in this video, I'll show you how to check your attributes in Where Wings Meet. Now your attributes simply tell you your constitution, your max HP, your combat capabilities, and all sorts of information that you can use as a guidance for where you are currently when it comes to your character. So now the first step when it comes to checking your attributes is to simply open up the menu and select Develop. From here, under the current build section, you should see Details. Select that. From here, you should be able to see your attributes. Now you have your combat attributes here and the 5 attributes listed, as well as your basic attributes, attributes to check, your attribute effect, and all sorts of information. Then when you go to the next section, you can also see your character status, but here is just mainly your attributes. Now this is your martial mastery. If you have, and this is your exploration mastery. So the more you explore, the more you communicate with the people, the more you play music, all sorts of things, you should be able to see your attributes increasing. And then once you're happy with whatever you're seeing, you can go ahead and exit. If you want to develop your attributes so that you can increase, say for example, your HP, simply select Develop here, and it brings you to this page, where it now allows you to upgrade either your mystic skills, your weapons, your talents, or even your gear. And as you go ahead increasing the skills, you'll also increase your attributes. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.